Hey guys, I'm back again with the Bus Simulator Indonesia game. I'm at Bus Simulator India game. Today we're trying out MBG truck game, full up with box in it. So this is gonna be a, you know what? No, let's see the feature of course. One, rims can be changed. Two, side side bumper, front bumper can be raised. Three, cabin can be tilt, I think. Four, rear and a back door. Front and a rear back door can be open. So let's go in. So let's go about it, guys. So we're getting at a lot of them. So we're delivering MBG cars. Then we're driving MBG truck. So this is nice for me. Oh my god, that was a crazy you know? That was a crazy nasty car, sir. Hey, that ain't sometimes. It is though. We're driving it along in here. It's kind of bumpy roads. You know, sometimes I was so done. You know, this is gonna be a careful day ever. Oh, come on, I'm stuck in this pole. I didn't even know. So what's going on in here? You know, this is kind of really nice gaming. It's going full photo mode. It's kind of very bumpy in the road. I press photo mode. Photo mode, I think. Oh my god, I was almost flipped it. Oh my god. I almost flipped it. Oh wow. My box is moving on its own, so I'll try again. So oh my god. So my truck keeps flipping over every time I do something there. I don't even know what's going on for this. Even though there's a hanger moving crazy, it can touch the ground instantly. So no, I'm trying again. Oh my god, there's a road blocking. You can see that car was blocking the way. Oh, it begins to start raining in the road. Oh, it's a heavy rain. It's kind of heavy rain sometimes. Even wow, so I can't believe it scratched the rear thing. I'm gonna be making it to the school though. So today, you know what? No, today. We're trying to make it there. So many players saying MBG truck. Oh crap, my power is not strong enough. Let's try to brake. Okay, let's do it. Come on. I think it's stuck. My MBG truck is not power enough. I am stuck in a pole. So I am kind of stuck in the pole right now. I'm trying to get my truck to be freed. Alright, let's try again in full throttle. It's kind of very lagging. Yes, I nearly did it, guys. This is I send you a new. Come on, this is kind of really lagging right now. Let's do it in the front. Let me do it inside of the. Oh, rain stopped. Let's continue driving in this. You know, there's no school in this mountain. What? So we're trying to make it to my home, not school, because it's there's no school here. Look, it's kind of moving this hanger in there. So kind of sweet, kind of ain't it? So my screen got darker. But I'm worried, I'm gonna make it to this car. I'm making to my home back though, so that's why we're trying to make it there. Yeah, I'm trying to go the bumpy roads. Alright, so I'm going there now. Whoa! That was a close one. I almost knocked out that sign though. Let's go. What the Alright, so we are done driving along. I'ma send this to my friend. I need to know. So, this is a Bused. This is a L300 pickup box truck. Also, I had that over there, so it's right there. Because it's kind of low graphics right now. You can see it's kind of very lagging. So this is kind of an MBG truck. So, goodbye.